So today I'm going to show you, as I mentioned, a capsule wardrobe packed into a handheld piece of luggage. So I've got a small suitcase. I do also have a tote bag which I would use as my handbag, and I've got another day handbag which actually I would put inside to this handbag, so that on the flight I've just got my one piece of handheld luggage and my handbag. So I'm going to unpack the case and show you what's inside it. We've got plenty of outfits that we can do for day or evening, whatever the occasion is. I'm assuming this is a week's break away, a city break where you want smart casual clothing and perhaps a few pieces that you can dress up in the evening. So let's get into the case. And before I just go through what's in the case, this is going to be my travel outfit. So I've got a sweater on here with a pair of grey jeans, a wrap to keep cosy. I've added a necklace with it and a pair of boots. Now once we get into the bag, I'm going to start with the shoes and the accessories. So I've got a belt in there. I've got a pair of tan boots that will go with my holdall. I've also got a pair of grey boots. And then I have a little package here with some jewellery in, which I'll come back to. Over on this side, I've packed some knits because I'm assuming it could be a bit chilly. So the first thing that I've got is this lovely wrap cardigan, which obviously will go over that outfit there, and I could swap in the tan boots. Next I've got some more trousers. So as well as the grey trousers, we have two more pairs of trousers. I've got a pair of velvet jeans, which are quite nice for dressing up for sort of smart casual evenings. And I've got a pair of my trusty leggings. And you'll see that when I unpack these, it'll give you a little hint into how I have actually packed it, where I've rolled things up. And this works really well to prevent things creasing and to give you more space. So next I've got some tops, which obviously will go with both of the pairs of trousers and the jeans, with the wrap as well. I've also got a little camisole there just in case it's chilly, and one of the blouses that I've got with me needs another layer. So on to the blouses. I've got this blue one with the grey detail in it, which will look lovely with the jeans, but also equally nice with either of those as well. This one, again, goes with all three pairs of trousers, and this is the one that needs the extra layer with the camisole. So that blouse also will look lovely under that knit. And just a word about the hangers. These hangers are brilliant. They're from Amazon. I'll link them in the description box. Because they're really nice and thin, you can fit so much more in your wardrobe. And also they have that non-slip to them. So for blouses like this, they're great. And then I've got a more dressy blouse here for evenings out, and again it will go with all 3 pairs of trousers. I haven't actually packed any dresses because I tend to wear trousers more, but if you had a jersey dress you could also easily fit that into the bag as well if you prefer a dress. Okay, then I've got an additional knit, a grey cardigan, which again will look really nice with the burgundy velvet, really nice with the grey there, and again it goes over all of the different blouses. And then finally I've got one more nice cosy cashmere knit, and again that will go with all of the different trousers. And finally, as you probably know if you know me well, I'm a bit of a scarfaholic, so to give myself some extra options, I've got 3 different scarves packed in here. One that's got grey tones in it, one that's got the burgundy and cream tones in it, and again another one that's got the burgundy and the grey. And then if I don't want to wear a scarf, I've also packed some additional pieces of jewellery. So we've got this pendant here. I've got a little gold pendant with matching earrings. I've got some must-have on-trend dangly earrings. Grey bracelet. These are really nice for the evening, especially with something like that, or over that one. And then finally a slightly more casual pendant that I would wear over the burgundy knit or over that knit with the grey pieces as well. So that's your completed capsule wardrobe for a week away with multiple outfits. We're going to slot in some pictures of the outfits as well so that you can see how much we can create from this collection. So my method for packing is to roll things, and you'll find if you've never tried this before, it really does work. You can fit so much more into your carry-on bag. So first of all, I'm going to put some of the heavier pieces into the case first. So I'm starting with the trousers, and I've got 3 pairs of trousers. One I've actually got to wear when I'm travelling. So starting at one end, you can roll them in quite tightly smooth them out so you don't get too many creases, and then they go into the case. The next thing I'm going to do is the knits, because they're quite bulky. So there's my packed suitcase. I still have room in the side that I've put the shoes in to pack toiletries, anything I want to do with my hair, so like my curling tongs, brushes, that kind of thing. I could also perhaps put another little evening bag in there if I wanted to, and even another pair of shoes rather than boots. Voila!